Break ID number, sorry about that noise, 2674. 2018 Leaf Greatest Hits Football and 2017 Spectra Football dual box break. This one has 4 fillers, 3 for 3 spots and 1 for 1 spot. Here's the 1 for 1. Isaac, Robert, and William. Go. Thank you guys for filling that up. And whoever closed it out. Isaac, MI. 1 spot. Filler number 2 for 3 spots. Daniel, Francisco, Isaac, Michael, and William. Go. Daniel, WO. Second one for 3 spots. Daniel and William. Go. William, RO. And filler number 4 for 3 spots. Daniel, Derek, Francisco, Isaac, and William. Go. Isaac, MI, with 3 spots. And the alphabetical list. Go. And there you go. If you're watching on Facebook, you have about 2 minutes to get over to YouTube to watch, because we're going to hit the 4-hour mark on Facebook Live and they're going to boot us off. In the chat is the link to YouTube. So I would head over now. And we'll give you just a second. All right. Here we go. Let's do Spectra first. Who would have thought that Spectra was the opening act, I guess. Derek Carr. Jumbo jersey. Jumbo jersey, Laquan Treadwell. I paused because the connection was iffy. That is to 199. Vikings. William R.O. Neon blue synced dual jersey, Zay Jones and Sammy Watkins. That is 299. Buffalo. William R.O. And super short print Radiant Rookies, Amara Darboe. 2-color patch auto. 5 of 15. Seattle. Dan F.R. Neon green Jarvis Landry to 25. Jumbo jersey neon blue Samaje Perine to 99. Washington William R.O. Sunday Spectacle jersey Antonio Brown to 99. Pittsburgh William R.O. And super short print 1, 2, 3 color patch auto Carlos Henderson. Look at that patch. And that is 1 of 5. Denver. Daniel W.O. Thomas Rawls to 99. Neon blue die cut Jonathan Stewart. (26 of 35). Carolina Sean B.R. Neon pink. Another super short print dual patch C.J. Beathard. (2 of 15). 49ers, Derek, M.A. And neon blue, two-color RPA, Evan Ingram. It's 50 of 75. Giants, Daniel, W.O. Neon blue, Tom Brady. To 50. Very nice base card pull. New England, Robert, S.I. Jumbo jersey, Michael Thomas. Saints, Robert, S.I. Synced dual jerseys, Juju Smith-Schuster and Le'Veon Bell. To 199. Pittsburgh, William, R.O. And another neon blue Evan Ingram RPA. That one's to 50. Giants, just had him. Daniel, W.O. All right. Greatest hits. Four buybacks and one Valiant greatest hits. And the Valiant greatest hits is 4 of 25 greatest hits rookie Josh Rosen. That's to the Cardinals. William, R.O. First card. Three of 3 on card Pantheon Vet Auto Marcus Allen. Oakland, Isaac, M.I. 3 of 3. Next one. Contenders Optic. On card, our rookie auto, Alvin Kamara. Very nice. Rookie of the Year, high-end Contenders Optic. Saints. Robert S.I. Wow. You know what? We have an extra card in here. Look at this. You've got to be kidding me. 1986 Topps Jerry Rice rookie and autographed. Authentic autograph. Autograph grade 10. Yikes. And on card. 49ers, Derek, M.A. Look at that card. Next. Preferred, 2017 Preferred Vet Auto, 10 of 10, Joe Namath. Ten of 10. I'm shocked how long it took for this to sell out. Jets, Andrew, G.R. And a bonus card. This is Bowman Sterling, 2014 Bowman Sterling rookie autograph relic, Jimmy Garoppolo. That is on a rookie Bowman Sterling, high-end Sterling. 9 with a 10 auto. New England, Robert S.I. Yep, next week, I hope. I have to make sure that they still have some. This is my last box. Wow. Well, I had a feeling it would be wow. That Leafs Greatest Hits stuff was amazing 3 or 4 nights ago. All right.